Hello, I'm Jo from the Dandelion Bakery and I have a top tip for you. It's that time of year when we're all thinking about Christmas, we're all thinking about the presents that we would like to buy for our loved ones and friends and family. I would like to suggest this year that if you're struggling to think of something to buy for someone, maybe consider baking it instead. Everybody loves receiving a box of biscuits or your favourite cake or your favourite sweet treat. It's also a great thing if you've got kids, get them involved. Grandparents love getting stuff that their grandkids have made. So rather than going into somewhere like John Lewis or Debenhams and buying a biscuit tin full of things that someone else has made, why not make them yourself? It's surprisingly easy. All you need is a really good shortbread recipe. You can put different flavours through the shortbread. You can make all kinds of varieties. And if you do this for a lot of people that you know, you can have one morning of batch baking, package it all up beautifully. Hobbycraft sells some really good boxes and some bags. You can get stuff online. It's not that expensive. You can get a whole raft of your Christmas presents done in one easy morning of baking. And you'll have a lovely time because baking is very relaxing and it's fun and it's a nice thing to do. So, my festive top tip for you, rather than schlepping around the shops and desperately trying to find something that people may or may not like, is bake them a Christmas present. They will thank you for it. Have a fabulous Christmas.